You can see here, young man doing a bit of mowing with his toy mower. It's a Husqvarna toy mower. It starts up, it flashes green. And remember that all you out there with your own mowers and your own lawns, if it's dry enough, there's nothing wrong with mowing it through the winter period. Just mowing it up the edge here, round the bollard there. And he's going back down the edge, I think, again. Yeah. You have to be a bit careful where he drives the mower over the concrete, though, won't you? Encourage your children to get involved. You know, it stopped to get a bit like my old Atco used to. You know, he starts it again and off he goes. Get your children involved with mowing at this time of the year